feeling good, like I should.
I am running late a little bit. My appointment's at 2:30. It says I'll get there at 2:34, but that doesn't include parking and walking into the salon, so but yeah, my hair is all blow dried and ready to go. If you guys have not caught yesterday's video where I washed and blow dried my hair, check that out. Just me prepping my hair for this braid down or the sew-in. So yeah, on my way to the salon. I'm going to the SnobLife Salon. I've heard about this salon before a while ago, but that's the salon I'm going to.
You need your hair braided and then you're going to someone else get braided.
I'm getting it braided and then I'm gonna sew it in myself.
Okay. So did you look at this and see if this is fine?
Yeah, this is cool, and then I'm just gonna want like some of, not like a whole bunch of the sides out, and then a little bit of the back, just so when I do a ponytail.
Alright, I'm gonna pull some on you. You gonna let me know.
This looks good. It looks so natural. What the heck? Y'all see? Oh, this looks good. I'm proud of myself, and I'm so grateful to Monet for doing such a good braid down. This looks like my hair. I'm happy with the outcome. I'm just curious about how long this is going to last. How long y'all think it's gonna last? This is the end of this little mini series. I think it was only 2 parts long. I don't know. I think it was only 2 parts. What else would you like to see from me? Let me know. Comment down below. I hope you all are doing well. Hope you all have a great remainder of your week. God bless, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.